Hello, it's Lisa again. I have another box from Goodwill. This one is supposed to be rocks and crystals, so I'm excited to get to it. This is not coming off. Okay, here we go. Oh, these look interesting. The first is a selenite wand. Actually, more of a tower, selenite tower. Ooh. I am not sure if this is calcite or something else. But look at that, how rich that color is. Again, it's amazing that the outside looks like this and the inside looks like this. Oh. Agate slices are always fun. And there's another one. Okay. Again, calcite or citrine, I do not know. Pyrite. I love all the sparkles. It's interesting. Looks like a geode that has not been opened, and there's just that one little point. Rhodonite, maybe? Love the color. Now we have a wire wrapped, not sure, this looks more like fluorite. Maybe a fluorite tower? That's pretty good sized. That's interesting. Not sure what it is, but it's got very cool lines. Can you see those? Almost like little layers. It's almost clear on the edges. If you know what any of these are, please let me know. I always want to learn. Not sure if this is quartz or if it's apophyllite. points are very pointy. And some rose quartz. I think every single lot that I have gotten has had rose quartz in it, which is fine by me. I like it. And another agate. Very dusty. Some crystal points. Looks like smoky quartz, clear quartz, and amethyst. Oh, here's more of that other one. Could this be corundum? Looks like the right color, but I'm not sure about the shape of those crystals. What do you guys think? It looks like it goes with this piece. Love that color. Almost like birch beer. I'm not sure what this is, but I love the light green in it. There's a very dusty piece of amethyst. Look at those sparkles. I'll have to clean that up and I'll bet it'll really sparkle. There's another one of those. Maybe corundum. It's even darker. Look how rich that color is. And that's the outside. Oh, this is interesting. So we have amethyst and smoky quartz together. That's a unique piece. And there's the back. There you can see the layers. Very cool. And last but not least is quartz. All right, that's it for this lot. I think I might roll right into another one, but for now, thank you for joining me. I hope that you'll consider liking and subscribing my channel. Still trying to get higher than 6 subscribers. I don't know. Maybe you guys can help. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you'll join me again. I love having company while I go through these boxes. Take care.